Oh guys, you won't believe. Yesterday on the way back home, we saw something very weird. We saw a goat hanging outside of a normal warung. So today we're gonna try it out. We know we love to try different things, especially here in Indonesia, the dishes. But before any further ado, we're gonna drop out our laundry and then get going.
Hello. Yeah, just live here, you know.
I hope the place is open because I'm ready.
I'm hungry.
Shall we? Guys, we just arrived here. The place looks very local, but we are here for the food. We don't care. And it was very interesting. You can see the goat outside, a big goat, and also all the satay and everything is done with the charcoal. I'm so curious to taste it. And I heard they have a soup. Not sure what's in the soup. We're gonna figure it out together. I'm with those two ladies. They are a bit shy, but they are getting there. We were just trying to figure out what was in the soup, but I'm gonna share with you later. It's different from our reality, but as they say, you never try, you never know. So let's get going, let's order, because I'm starving. Boleh saya minta dua satay, satu soup, complete.
Nasi?
Permisi? Nasi? Dua. Putih ya? Ya. Bagus. The soup is getting done here. It's already pre-made. They just heat it up and she put in a plate for us. I'm so curious and wondering how that's gonna end up. Terima kasih. Time of the truth. The portions are very decent, I have to say. At the end of the day, we ordered 2 portions of satay, 2 portions of rice, 1 soup, the miracle soup, and 2 iced teas without sugar. Otherwise, it's super sweet. So let me just show you how it looks like. It's like this. I'm gonna go all in because the soup I'm gonna leave a bit for later.
Are you afraid to try the soup?
Guys, very tender, very soft, super nice. I don't think I ever taste something similar taste-wise. And it's hot, it's fresh. You could see they were making right now. And you can feel the freshness of it.
And the sauce, I think, is soy sauce mixed with peanut sauce, so it's a bit sweet.
Yeah, no, very, very good.
You like?
I love it, and I'm so happy that it's a big portion because I'm gonna eat mine and maybe a little of hers. And regarding the soup, yes, I'm very concerned about the soup, just answering to you, because from our Google Translator and everything else, we figure out, I cannot spot, I'm gonna show the soup, I cannot spot what is what, but I know there is brain, liver, skin.
Brain?
Brain, yeah.
Uh-oh.
I don't know you guys, but I never ate brain, or I don't know how that's gonna end up.
I don't like even skin.
But the good thing is, we don't know what is what, so we're gonna, you know, pick one random, try and see how it goes.
I like.
Cheers.
Soup. Yes, the soup. I'm a bit afraid, I have to say, because the things inside, they are not looking good. but let's try. The soup actually is very good taste. It's like a broth, but very heavy, very, very greasy. Oh, not bad. I see this looks like a liver. I don't think I'm brave enough to try all these things. I leave it for Sandro.
Should I? So we are here for the experience, as I was saying. Before I go any further, have you tried this before? How you feel eating brain, skins or whatever is in the soup? Leave down in the comments. I would love to know what you think about that. I'm just getting time, but let's go. Here we go. I think I got the liver. Very salty, but in a good way. And very soft. Very, very soft. What is this, guys? What is that? This is not my favorite. Not because of the taste, but because of the texture. It's very soft. But when you eat, it gets better. When it's gone, it's much better. And this black, I don't think I tried yet. In all the fairness, everything is so tasty. No matter what I'm eating, it's very tasty. Just the texture is a bit different, so that makes us to feel a bit weird about it. And these guys, can you see? Cheers.
When the ladies told us what is in the soup, I knew I cannot try it. Brain, liver, skin, bone, too much. But I'm happy Sandro likes, so I stick with the satay. The satay, it's delicious. It's super soft, the meat. You can feel on the taste that is made in the charcoal and the sauce.
No, very good, very good. You know, guys, for us it's a bit hard to end up in places like this. But you see, if you are not curious, if you don't try something different, something new, we will never end up here. And end up being one of the best satays I ever had since I arrived in Bali. It's bloody delicious, it's super good. Since we are sitting here, obviously, no bule walked in. But plenty of locals, and I always say, if you see the locals in a place, that's a good sign. You should go and try the food, because they know what they are eating much better than we do. So good, guys, so good. I'm about to finish the soup. So good. Enough.
The good thing is, I forgot to tell you guys, here nothing is spicy. You know everything when we try, it's super spicy, but this is not. So it's for me.
I've told you, I like the soup. That's my very last piece. And my advice is eat as soon as you can, because it's very greasy. And if it gets cold, I don't think it's a good idea or taste any closer. That's a wrap for today. We really enjoyed this experience. It was phenomenal, super different. The food was amazing, very nice portions. And if you know any other dish what we didn't try yet, you know we love trying different things, please leave down in the comments. We would love to try something different, something what you suggest. So thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Permisi, boleh saya minta nota? Terima kasih. Enak. Enak, Ibu. Bagus.
Apa nama YouTube-nya? Nanti saya subscribe.
There we go. Terima kasih. Bye bye. Bye bye.